Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Then again 6 minus 8 is equal to also minus 2. Now minus 2 multiply minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth priority and last priority is addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to, now here is subtraction, here is multiplication, here is parenthesis, and here is subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so 6 minus 8. Now solve this parenthesis. 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2 is equal to, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So multiplication is first priority according to the rule. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 6, now minus 8 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 16. Okay, now 6 plus 16 is equal to 22. So the correct answer is 22. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.